In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to HostGator quickly and efficiently. We'll ensure your domain is set up correctly without any hassle. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to access your domain registrar account. This is the service where you initially registered your domain name. Once you're logged in, head over to the section that handles DNS or name server settings. This part of the configuration is crucial because it dictates how your domain points to the internet. Now let's get to the core of the task. You'll want to replace the existing name servers listed there with those provided by HostGator. Typically, you will enter ns1.hostgator.com and ns2.hostgator.com as the name servers. Updating these settings is a vital step because it essentially tells the world where your website is hosted. Ensure you input these correctly to avoid any connectivity issues later on. After you've made these changes, make sure to save them. Sometimes there's a button that says Save or Apply Changes. Hit that, and your part from the domain registrar is complete. Remember, though these changes aren't instantaneous, the DNS alteration can take some time to propagate across the web. Next, you'll need to log into your HostGator cPanel. If your domain isn't already listed as the primary domain within your HostGator account, you'll need to add it. There's usually a section or icon for adding a new domain. Following the prompts, you can seamlessly incorporate your domain into your HostGator hosting service. Once you've taken care of that, it's time to exercise a little patience. DNS propagation can sometimes take up to 48 hours to complete fully. During this time, the new settings are being updated across global servers to recognize your new hosting arrangement. Consider this the waiting period. It might be quicker, but it's good to be prepared for the longer end of the spectrum just in case. Finally, after you've waited, it's time to test your website. Open up a browser and type in your domain URL. What you're checking for here is a successful load of your website, now hosted on HostGator. This step is crucial to confirm that your changes have been applied correctly and everything is functioning as it should. And there you have it. By following these detailed instructions, you've successfully connected your domain to HostGator. If any part didn't quite work as expected, retrace your steps to ensure each detail was handled correctly. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting your domain set up efficiently with HostGator.